Hey everyone, welcome to Tracking Your Phone YouTube channel. Here we review the latest mobile phone tracking software, discuss the best parental control tools, find the best geofencing solutions, discuss the social media spy methods, and fight cyber bullying together. In this video, we will tell you how to remove background noise from video. The most common request that you can receive from video producers is to remove the annoying noise such as rumble or hum from a finished piece of video, no matter if it is a corporate piece, a short film, a short commercial, or more. In most cases, recording high-quality audio during shooting is difficult since the dialogue is commonly hard to hear or competing with the background hums from the environment. For instance, a dreaded air conditioner or fans. The background noise commonly has to be eradicated when mixing and recording sound effects or several other design elements for the video, so keep watching the video till the very end, because there are some methods that can be used to get rid of this background noise. You can reduce the noise by adding some background music to your video or denoise with some audio or video editing software. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Solution 1. Remove background noise on Windows and Mac with Filmora Video Editor. Though there is so much software you can use to remove background noise here, we recommend you to try Wondershare Filmora. Besides the normal audio editing tools, the newly released Filmora features improved waveforms, volume keyframing, peak metering, and audio transitions, which provides you with a higher quality audio editing experience. Here are some benefits of removing background audio noise with Filmora. Adjustable track height for precise waveform audio editing. Remove background noise with the denoise feature in one click. Fine-tune denoise level to weak, mid, or strong for better noise reduction results. Method 1. Remove background noise from audio or video directly. Whether you're removing the background noise from audio or a video, Filmora Video Editor can handle it easily. With this easy-to-use video editor, you can also detach the audio from the video, use the audio mixer or audio equalizer tools to edit the audio further, and then export and save your audio as MP3 format. Step 1. Import your video in the Wondershare Filmora timeline panel. Preview and trim the video and delete the parts you don't want to keep. Step 2. Right-click the video in the timeline and then hover over the audio option. You will see 4 options: silence detection, adjust audio, detach audio, and mute. To separate the audio from the video, select the audio detach option. Step 3. Double-click on the audio track and select remove background noise in edit panel to remove the background noise directly. You can also just double-click the video clip in the timeline without detaching audio from the video to enter the editing panel and switch to the audio tab to edit audio and remove the noise. Step 4. You can also fine-tune the audio with the equalizer feature to make the audio sounds more natural. If you want to have a better effect, just adjust the audio to fit perfectly the video frame by frame. After reviewing the result, you can click the export to save the video with noise reduced to your computer or share it to YouTube or Vimeo directly. Method 2. Hiding background noise with music. In fact, audio editing software like Audacity can only well deal with the white noise, which means the constant, predictable, and never-changing noise. But when it comes to other noises like people talking in the background, cars, birds chirping, doors slamming, foot traffic, etc., it's been nearly impossible to remove them while keeping your audio in good quality. So, we recommend masking them instead of trying to fix the issues, and just adding some background music to your video can solve this problem. In Wondershare Filmora, you can simply drag a song or music in the music library into the audio track of your timeline, then edit and adjust its volume, speed, pitch. Then you can cover the background noise without drawing attention away from your dialogue. Besides the inbuilt music and sound effects, you can also add your own music and audio file from the computer and adjust it accordingly. Then you can export and save the video with the background noise hidden in any format you like. Solution 2. Remove background noise from audio or video with Audacity for free. Audacity is a free, open-source, and professional audio editing software available both on Windows, Mac, and Linux. You can use it to record live audio, edit the audio such as cut, copy, or paste tools, or do some advanced audio analysis with the spectrogram view mode for visualizing. You can download and install Audacity audio editing software from its official website for free. Step 1. Import audio with noise to Audacity. After launching Audacity, Go to the File option and select Open or Import to import the audio or video file into Audacity. Audacity will remind you to make a copy of the audio file before editing. Step 2. Pick up the noise segment. To pick up a noise segment, zoom in the track or adjust the track size under the View menu to preview the waveform in Audacity more precisely and select a segment with pure background noise. Go to the Effect tab and then select Noise Reduction. Start with the defaults and then click on Get Noise Profile so that Audacity will figure out what to filter out based on your selected segment. Step 3. Apply Noise Profile to remove background noise, and then choose the whole audio that needs to remove noise. Go back to the Noise Reduction windows again, choose how much noise you want to remove, and click OK to reduce the noise. You can use the default settings. Audacity will reduce the noise automatically, and you can see the results straight away in the audio track. Step 4. Adjust settings. Go to Effect and Amplify to fix the muffling of your audio. Click Preview to check whether the noise has been removed. If yes, click OK and then export the denoised audio to MP3, WAV, or other formats from Audacity. Solution 3. Remove audio from video, online free. If you don't want to download software to remove the background noise, you can try some online audio removers. For example, we found a free online audio remover, audioremover.com. It can help you remove audio from video in just 2 steps. Step 1. Select a video file first and then click Upload Video below. It may take a while depending on your video size. Step 2. After it is completed, click the download file to save it to your computer. However, with this online audio remover, all your audio background noise, voiceover, music, and sound will be removed. I hope you will find that it is not hard to remove background noise from the video with the solutions provided above. For those who want to make their audio more creative, try Filmora Video Editor to empower your imagination today. Thumbs up if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips on phone tracking solutions. Hope to see you in our next video. Till then, bye!